I'm glad you're all doing good. So today we're going to begin our class with language arts. We're beginning a new topic today. But before I even explain what we're going to talk about today in language arts, I have a little activity that you're going to help me complete. Yes? Alright. Okay, so here I have a cup and a highlighter. And I'm going to write a sentence on the board with a blank that you will help me fill with the help of the cup and the highlighter. So let's see. The highlighter is blank the cup. Okay. The highlighter is blank the cup. So let's start with Vanessa. Okay, Vanessa. Give me a word that can go in the blank describing the highlighter and the cup. The highlighter is very good inside the cup. So I'm going to put it down here. Inside the cup. Very good. Rodrigo. Give me another word that can go in the blank by looking at the cup and the highlighter. Very good. The highlighter is next to the cup. Is next to. Very good, Roberto. By the cup as well. By the cup. Next to and by. They're both synonyms. So now let's see what I've said. What would you say with the highlighter in the cup like this? The highlighter is above, very good, on top, or above. Very good. So, see, without me even explaining what we're talking about, you already gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples of what we're covering today. Prepositions. Does anyone have any idea of what a preposition is? Yes? You can say it describes in a sense, not really, but good try, very good. Diego? No? I see a little bit of confusion. Okay, let's see. Preposition. A preposition is a word and please, if you can take out your notebooks and write this down on this definition down, please. It's a word that connects a noun or pronoun. What's a noun? Very good. A person, place, or thing, or pronoun. It said pronoun, he, she, it. Very good. Or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. Okay? So this is our definition. Preposition is a word that connects a noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. So for example here, inside helps us connect the highlighter and the cup. Where's the highlighter at? Inside the cup. Again, where's the highlighter? Next to the cup. So inside, next to, by, on top, above, help us connect the highlighter with the rest of the sentence, which in this case is the cup. Yes? Okay. Any questions? Not yet? Alright. So a preposition answers several questions. It answers the when, it answers the where, it describes. I'm going to give you a scenario, I'm going to give a topic, and then create a little story using prepositions and answering the point and how it describes, okay? So I'm going to talk about a boy named Carlos who's going to the park, alright? So Carlos went to the park after, and someone help me, after what? After lunch? Sounds good? Okay, after lunch. So here, our noun or pronoun is Carlos, right? And Carlos going to the park when? After lunch. Very good. So our preposition here is after. So see how our preposition answers are when? If we were asking, when did Carlos go to the park? Carlos went to the park after lunch. Class. Now that everyone has their own copy of a list of prepositions, I want us to go over them one time out loud, okay? So we will begin with about, go all the way down, and then again with on, and come all the way down, okay? I want to hear all of your voices, all right? So let's begin. About, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below. So now for our notes, we're going to create our own preposition booklet. On the first page, we're going to write preposition and our definition, which is a word that connects a noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. Then we're going to give examples of prepositions that describe, prepositions that give time, and prepositions that give location. Alright? So what we're going to do is that with the construction paper that Luis is passing around, it's this big, we're going to fold it in half, okay? And then again in half. Okay? Once you unfold it, you're going to have, you would have formed 4 squares. Okay? So you're going to cut through the middle and through the middle again, and then we're going to staple on the top to create our booklet. Okay? Right now, I'll be putting on the projector what each page says so that you can copy it down. Alright? So now let's get our scissors and construction paper to start. Okay, now that we have reviewed what a preposition is, we're going to do a little activity, okay? So we have a picture on the top. It's a picture of a room, right? And then we have 8 sentences with blanks. Together, we're going to fill in the blank for the first 2, and then I want volunteers to come, or I'll choose you to come and fill in the blanks of the rest of the sentences. Okay? So let's do number 1. It says, the clock is blank the wall. On the wall, very good. On the wall. So in this case, our preposition on is showing location. Very good. It's telling us where the clock is. The clock is on the wall. Very good. Number 2. The ball is blank the table. Close Beto, not on the bottom of the table, but another word. Under the table. Very good. The ball is under the table. So in this case, again, the preposition is showing location. Very good. It's telling us that the ball is under the table. It's connecting our noun, which is the ball, with the rest of the sentence. Alright? Okay. Now I want Jessica to come in and to come to the front and do number 3. Now that we have finished with our booklet, which I saw all of you, and you did a really good job, very neat, which I like, we're going to play a fun game with prepositions. We're going to play bingo. Yes? Does everyone like bingo? Alright. So the bingo is going to be like any other bingo, but with prepositions. such as a board. Alright, now that we have just finished playing bingo, which was really fun, I want you to get out a sheet of paper with your name, the date, and the subject, language arts, and I want you to write 7 sentences using the different prepositions from the list that you have. Okay? I want 7 complete sentences. If you don't finish before we go to lunch, you will take that for homework and it will be due by tomorrow. Alright? If you need help, please raise your hand and I'll be there by your desk.